taking all the different shots.
It's kind of moving now.
It is. Yeah, that's a lie. It bites me, it's your fault. That's his head.
That must be his tail.
Well,
His head's
one
over.
would be one and the other would be the other.
Thank you. Dude hates me.
Maybe he was asleep whenever we came over there to him. He was just hanging out in the current. Now we woke him up and kicked him off. I wonder what the chances of seeing that are.
100% for us?
Yeah, that's true.
Pretty good math.